tree burner store, man. So we got the tea right here. We got the rice and peas right here. Not the rice and peas, we got the rice and ackee. And then over there, so we got little curry chicken. So I eat, we don't go eat for breakfast.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Now book my flight right now, man. Come.
I tell you. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again, up in the hills early morning vibes. So guys, we are one more time in Rasta's kitchen, and he's about to cook some ackee and steam some rice. So there he's on his way to look some ackee, so we're gonna follow him on the journey to see if he finds any. Yeah, guys, we were checking out this tree right here, but the bird them heat them off already. Yeah, look at that. See a little pod right there with couples in there, but it don't look so kosher. So we're gonna have to improvise, or we're gonna have to go up more up on the property to check the rest of ackee trees them to see if we find any ackee. Frost, look at this. This one is opening up, man. Right, I see two on this already. Crazy. Look, see that? This one start opening up, Ross. Crazy. On that one, I don't know if there's any up on that one up at the yard. So Frost is going up on a tree to see if he can pick the few open pods that is on it, guys. Yeah, guys, as we say, we're gonna do some rice. Right, yeah, see that? Come across more. It could be come across this right there, so yeah. Oh. Like the birds them a beat us to it, man. So this is what we found so far. Like one pod right here, and one pod right here. So that's all we find on the trees. You can see all of them, they're packed with ackee, but they're not ready yet. So what Frost is gonna do, we have some leftover curry from yesterday, so he's gonna cook the ackee, mix it up with the remainder of the curry chicken, and we're gonna cook some rice, and that is what we're gonna have for breakfast up in the hills. So right here you can see the pot, and already have this butter in the pot, this thyme and oil and seasoning. Yeah. So rush fresh. So how you gonna cook up this breakfast this morning?
One down in here.
In your what?
One down.
One down?
Yeah, one down.
Okay.
Just cook the rice with the ackee, everything in a one.
Put everything in a one?
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, you hear that? It's gonna be a one down. It's gonna cook everything up in the one pot. Yeah, this is gonna be an epic breakfast experience, guys. So let's get our towel, mango leaf towel, and we're gonna check the pot. That is the ackee and the butter and the thyme cooking away right there. And the ackee, yeah, the ackee in the pot, the scallion in the pot, the butter in the pot, the oil in the pot. And he's gonna get ready right now for cooking his rice. Yeah, that is it, guys. Don't joke about it. Serious thing, serious. We're gonna be having some one down rice and ackee. And as I say, we have some leftover curry chicken from yesterday. We're gonna be beating that with the rice. Yeah, don't joke about it, guys. No joke about it. Yeah. X, what are you doing? What are you up there doing, bro? Hey, cook. Yeah, morning, sister. Loyalty, my respect.
Yeah, man, yeah. Oh, your rice so fluffy. Eh?
No.
Oh, your rice nice and fluffy, so. Aye. You have to give me the secret.
So,
Yeah, one of them ducks that me want, like, suddenly cookies.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. A real Dutchie, there,
Oh,
man.
I had one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Three burner store, man. So we got the tea right here. We got the rice and peas right here. Not the rice and peas, we got the rice and ackee. And then over there, so we got little curry chicken. So I eat, we don't go eat for breakfast.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Now book my flight right now, man. Come.
I tell you. So first that's done. The rice ready. Yeah, man. So guys, the ackee and rice is ready. And we have some curry chicken gravy over there. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be having for breakfast, believe it or not. Yeah, so we're just warming up this guy right here. And then we're gonna be having it with our rice and ackee. And we got some tea right here. Yeah, beautiful. That's it. My wife just saw what's going on, and my wife is ready to have some of these guys right here. Beautiful. So Rasta, what are you doing? Dishing out some for me right here. Wow, it's amazing. Look at that, guys. Rice and ackee, or ackee and rice. Yeah. Yeah, big up to all the viewers and subscribers wheresoever you are on the planet, on the globe. Much respect coming to you from Manix Robinson TV and Ras Kitchen. Yeah, no joke about it. So this is it, guys. Yeah, rice and ackee, curry gravy, beautiful. Much respect for us. This is it right here, guys. This is it right here. Yeah, up in the hills one more time. Breakfast. Thank you. Much love, much respect. Yeah, breakfast time, guys. Look at this. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, ackee is cooked really soft. Rice good. I taste the butter and the thyme in it. The leftover curry chicken from yesterday. Beautiful. Thanks, sir. Straight from the fire, straight to the plate. Wood fire. Grape wood. Yeah. That's it right there. Blessings. Come on. Thank you. Respect, yeah. Soursop leaf mint tea, guys. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Get over there. So guys, thanks one more time for tuning in to Manix Robinson TV as we are enjoying breakfast, ackee and rice with some curry chicken gravy in Ras Kitchen. Yeah, and as I said, guys, if you want to experience these outdoor cooking, my contact number is in the description. If you want to link up with Rasta and come chill out in Rasta kitchen up in the hills, up in the mountain, we can make it happen. Alright? I'm gonna finish my breakfast, guys. I don't want it to get cold. You know? So thanks again for tuning in one more time. Much respect to Rasta kitchen for making breakfast possible. Until I see you again on the next epic journey, guys, you have yourself a blessed one from Manix Robinson TV and from Rasta. Alright? Bless up yourself. One love. Be safe. Be blessed every time.